Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with the iRobot Roomba 694, an affordable and efficient floor cleaner. Let's see what this budget-friendly device has to offer. The iRobot Roomba 694 comes with a price tag of $274.99. But it's currently on sale for just $179.99, making it one of the least expensive robot vacuums from iRobot. Despite its budget-friendly price, this little device offers great cleaning performance, app and voice control support, and the ability to schedule cleaning runs. Measuring 13.4 inches in diameter and 3.5 inches tall, the Roomba 694 is slightly wider but shorter than its predecessor, making it perfect for cleaning under furniture. It weighs just 6.8 pounds, and though it lacks a carrying handle, it's still easy to manage. The Roomba 694 comes with 3 brushes for effective cleaning: a rubber roller, a bristled roller, and a spinning edge sweeper. It also has cliff sensors to avoid falling down stairs and an aero vac filter to capture fine dust. The robot supports app control through the iRobot Home app for both Android and iOS devices, as well as voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. In our tests, the Roomba 694 impressively ran for up to 120 minutes on a single charge, beating its predecessor's battery life. It supports scheduling, allowing you to set specific cleaning times, and you can even control it with voice commands. Though it lacks advanced navigation features, it rarely gets stuck and efficiently maneuvers around your home. Now, while the Roomba 694 might lack some of the high-end features of more expensive models, like self-emptying and home mapping, it does come with Dirt Detect, which helps it focus on heavily soiled areas for a thorough clean. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 694 is an excellent choice for first-time buyers looking for an affordable and efficient robot vacuum. Its strong cleaning performance, app and voice control support. And that wraps up our review of the iRobot Roomba 694. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product critiques. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.